More millionaires are going to be made in the next 24 months than were ever made in the history of the internet. And I'm not talking about the people building AI. I'm talking about normal people using it every day. Right now, there's regular people, not coders, not tech bros, not AI startups, normal people starting full AI businesses from their laptops, from their home in days, not weeks, not months, but days. The power dynamic has completely shifted. You no longer need a designer, a developer, and $50,000 in startup capital to build something that actually makes money. You need an idea and the right tool. And today I'm going to show you a tool that genuinely blew my mind because it doesn't just help you build an app. It builds you an entire business from the ground up. And in this video, I'm going to build 2 real monetizable products that somebody like you can start charging money for today, and walk you through a strategy that you can copy and start generating income for yourself. Let's get into it. So the tool is called Atoms. You can find it at atoms.dev. Now, some of you might already know it by its previous name, MetaGPT-X or MGX. It's the same team, the same powerhouse technology, a brand new identity, and an even bigger vision. Here's what makes Atoms different from everything else out there. You've probably heard of tools like Bolt, Lovable, Replit, or a Cursor. Those are great for generating code or spinning up a front end. But that's where they stop. They hand you an interface and say, good luck.
Good luck.
Atoms doesn't do that. Atoms is your next gen vibe business team. It's not a coding assistant. It's an entire AI powered business team that takes your idea and transforms it into a profitable, deployed, revenue ready product. And here's the crazy part. I don't mean it generates a pretty landing page. Any product, any software can do that. I mean it handles everything. Market research, product design, full stack development, user authentication, database, Stripe payments, domain deployment, and even SEO content to drive traffic. That's the full chain from idea to income. The reason this works so well is that Atoms doesn't rely on one AI model doing everything. It uses a multi-agent system. Think of it like having an actual startup team inside of your browser. Mike is the team leader. He coordinates everything and manages the workflow. Sarah is the SEO agent that generates content that actually drives people to your finished product. Emma is the product manager. She turns research into a clear product spec. Bob is the architect. He designs the system and technical specs. Alex, he's the engineer. He actually builds and deploys everything. David is the data analyst. He processes your data and gives you real-time insights. Iris is the deep research agent. She validates your business idea against real market data before you build anything. It's a full vibe business team at your fingertips. So while Bolt and Lovable gives you front end and Cursor gives you code snippets, Atoms gives you a full company. And that's the difference. That's what vibe business means. It takes vibe coding and turns it into a vibe business. And I'm about to prove it to you. Most businesses fail because entrepreneurs, when they get a business idea, they get excited and they tell their family, and their family validates the business idea, and they jump up and down, and they can't sleep because their business is going to be so successful. And then when they launch it, crickets, nothing. The reason this happens is because they haven't validated their business idea. Now, Atoms is different from every other competitor out there because it has a built-in deep research agent called Iris. Before you write a single line of code, Iris analyzes market trends, competitor landscape, and user demand to tell you whether your idea is actually worth building. You don't want to build a business on a mountain of sand, and Iris makes sure that you don't do that. Look at this. It's pulling competitor data, analyzing what's already in the market, identifying gaps, and telling you exactly where the opportunity is. This is strategy before code. This is how real businesses are built. You validate first, and then you build. And this isn't just some basic Google search wrapper. Iris scored 73% on the Xbench deep research benchmark, which actually outperforms tools from OpenAI and Google. So the research you're getting here is legitimately world-class. Okay, so here's what we're building. A subscription-based platform for content creators where they can generate thumbnails, banners, media kits, and branded assets using AI, all from one dashboard. Now, why would somebody pay for this? Because every single creator, and including myself, needs visual assets for YouTube, social media, sponsor pitches, and most of them can't afford a designer. So let me walk you through this and show you how Atoms can build this backend, deployment, SEO, the whole nine. So watch this. I'm going to type something like, I need you to create me a subscription-based platform for content creators where they can generate thumbnails, banners, media kits, and branded assets using AI. Perfect. I'm going to check team. We're going to leave it on Claude Opus 4.6, which is currently the most powerful AI model in the world. And I'm going to click run. Now, Mike is calling the shots. I typed one prompt and now the entire team is working. Alex is now creating user authentication, brand profile setup, AI asset generator, all of these subscription and payments, dashboard homepage. Let's click approve. So it built our complete creator dashboard. There's generate thumbnail sections, the media kit, there's banner, there's branded assets. The thing that we asked it to build us, it built us in less than 10 minutes. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We click on pricing. It has a free tier and there's also a paid plan, which in this case is $12 a month. We can upgrade it and update it to any number that we want. But it's asking us to connect Stripe. This is where atoms.com is different from every other platform. It actually has a Stripe integration. So we connect to our Stripe account here. We choose our information. We click agree and continue and it's connected instantly. Once we're done with our app, we're going to click publish. And just like that, our app is good to go. It has login and register. It has database persistence, which basically means that if we create something inside of the app, like this YouTube thumbnail here, it doesn't forget it. It stores it and it saves anything that we create inside. This isn't a throwaway prototype. It's a production-ready application. And it's already live on our own domain name. And one more thing, Atoms doesn't just build your product and leave you to figure out marketing. The built-in SEO agent, Sarah, generates optimized articles and content to actually drive organic traffic to your site. That's the complete loop. Idea to research to product to payments to traffic. That's Vibe Business. Alrighty, demo number 2. Completely different use case to show you the range of what Atoms can do. We're building an online booking and scheduling platform for local service businesses. Barbers, cleaners, personal trainers, HVAC, plumbers, anybody who takes appointments, anybody whose lifeblood of their business is appointments. The business owner gets a professional booking page with built-in payment processing and customers can book and pay upfront, which means fewer no-shows and less wasted time. Now, why would somebody pay for this? Well, a missed call or a missed customer for a plumber or an HVAC company can literally be $10,000 down the drain. So if you charge somebody $1,000 upfront for this application that we're about to build and $100 to $200 a month to maintain it, it's absolutely worth it for the business. Let's build it together. I need you to build me an online booking and scheduling platform for local service businesses. Let's say an HVAC company, for example. I need the main page to look professional, modern, and sleek. I need the user interface to be simple and easy to use. We're going to choose team, and then we're going to click run. Again, Mike is taking the lead. Now, Mike is the team leader. He coordinates everything and manages the workflow, and then he hands it off to Alex. And what Alex does is he's the engineer, and he actually builds and deploys everything. Remember, the whole team works together to create you a functioning app in less than 10 minutes. And just like that, we have a full working app. Check this out, guys. We have the sign in, login, and register page. We can do it with Google. We can log in with our email address. Let's continue with Google. Now, this is where customers can book their appointment with HVAC companies. So let's say they land on this HVAC company page. They can choose one of these services here. And these are just placeholders. We can always change these up with the real prices of the company. Let's say they want a heating system repair. We're going to click schedule service. Let's choose the heating system repair. We're going to click continue. Tuesday at 11 a.m. Continue. We're going to fill in the name. Let's just put Johnny. Phone number. Going to click continue. Perfect. We're going to click confirm booking. The HVAC company is going to receive this. They're going to get this directly to their Google Calendar, or they're going to receive an email, whichever one is more convenient for them. But Atoms.com built us an entire business. Here's the database persistence. We're going to refresh the page. We're going to go to My Bookings, and it's still here. And of course, we have our own live URL at the top. Let me show you something even crazier that completely changes the game on quality. It's called race mode. So here's the problem with every other AI builder. You type a prompt, you get one result, and if it's not great, you're tweaking and regenerating and hoping for the best. You're basically gambling on the AI's first draft. Race mode eliminates that entirely. Instead of one AI team building your project, multiple AI teams build it simultaneously in parallel. Then you pick the best one. It's like hiring 3 different development agencies, letting them all compete and choosing the winner, except it happens in minutes and not months. The results speak for themselves. Race mode delivers results that are 45% better than the top proprietary solutions while costing 80% less. That's not marketing. That's a benchmark performance. You're getting higher quality at a fraction of a cost. Okay, let me show you how to actually make money with this. And this is so simple. Anybody can do this today. You don't need a degree. You don't need training. You don't need any experience whatsoever. We're going over to Fiverr.com, or we can use the website Upwork. We can even do Facebook groups, and there are millions of people scattered across Facebook groups, small business owners. But for this demo, let's stick with Fiverr. We go to Fiverr, and we're seeing what people charge for websites and software. Now, a lot of these people who are charging $2,000, $2,400, they do this all by hand. They write their own code. It takes them weeks and months to create websites and software products like this. Let's actually click into one of these and see the range of products that they're charging for. $2,400 is the basic. Standard is $3,000. Premium is $5,600. They're charging for a complete travel booking platform, and their delivery time is 30 days, which in 2026 is unacceptable. Small to medium-sized businesses don't have time to wait 30 days for a website. They need it right now. And the people who are quicker to deliver any of these services, especially to businesses who heavily rely on speed, are the ones who are going to win in today's economy. Now, here is where you can shine. Here is where you can make the most amount of money. These people have a 30-day delivery because they don't know that websites like atoms.dev exists. They're doing everything by hand. So if you sign up to Fiverr and you put your service as a 2 to 3 day delivery and you massively undercut the competition, you can charge $1,000 for basic, $1,500 for standard, maybe $3,500 for premium, whatever you want to charge. And of course, whatever your time is worth. But if you put 2 to 3 day delivery, even 1 day delivery, and you charge $1,000, $1,500, $3,000, you're going to stand out from everybody else and you're going to get business. It might not happen in the first day. It might not happen in the week. But what do you have to lose, guys? What do you have to lose to go to Fiverr, list your services? If somebody bites and somebody sends you an email, that can be $2,000 right there from a simple subscription to atoms.dev. What do you have to lose? The worst thing that can happen is you open up a Fiverr account, you post your services, and maybe you get 2 clients per month. The best thing is you start a full AI business, but you'll never know unless you start today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video brought you value. And just a reminder, everyday normal people are building entire AI businesses from single tools, from a conversation, from a single text prompt. Never in the history of the world was this possible to make so much money from AI. And we're still early. We're still early. And the early adopters are the ones who make the most amount of money in anything, in Bitcoin and crypto and stocks and business in general. Try Atoms today. The link is in the description below. And also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and how to make money with them as well, be sure to join my completely free newsletter. It's designed for normal people to start profiting from AI today. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.